Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1958 Ford truck. I'll go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Started with the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there. We have the aluminum cylinder heads on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice ball milled polished valve covers with a matching 14-inch air cleaner with a washable filter. MSD ignition coil. Distributors all set in place. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pan, the front sump oil pan for the 58 Ford truck. Oil pressure extensions installed. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the clamps. Gas filter, high flow fuel pump installed. Quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket installed, throttle cable ball, manifold vacuum fittings installed, make it easy for the hookups. Proper automatic flex plate, tooth count and balance for the customer's transmission. Customer's running the, we installed the Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. This has a real nice feature on this kit. Later on, if he wants to install an AC compressor, very simple. This is an idler here. You can remove the 2 bolts, put the compressor right in place, even use the existing belt. Has the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. High flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. Power steering pump's hooked up. Reservoirs attached, real easy. The power steering line in return right there. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, timing set, carburetor fully adjusted. So there you have it. This is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam engine ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call 1-800-326-6554 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.